Are you looking for the best camping stoves? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best camping stoves on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Jetboil Genesis Basecamp. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp was designed with car campers who are looking to save space in mind. The 2-burner design is low profile, and the burners close in on themselves to be packed into the accompanying carrying case. The case also holds a large Jetboil pot and skillet, all of which fits into the case and can be easily carried to and from a campsite. The stove also includes a small fuel adapter and a low-profile windscreen that wraps around the pot and the carrying case. We were impressed with the design and found that we naturally returned to using the Genesis Basecamp over and over throughout the summer because of it. The JetLink port also allows for connecting other Jetboil accessories to the Genesis Basecamp and running all of them off of the same fuel source, though we did not test this. At 10,000 BTUs and costing $450, the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp costs more than stoves that have more BTUs, like the GSI Outdoors Selkirk 540 Plus from GSI Outdoors, but the cooking performance was still high quality, offering strong simmering ability and fairly quick boil times. All stoves were tested on boiling abilities in the same weather conditions in our yard. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp boiled 1L water at just about 4 minutes 10 seconds in temperate weather using cool water from our well. In the field, we observed that boiling 1L of water took slightly longer at 6 minutes 30 seconds on a rainy day with 5 to 8 miles per hour winds. In the field, the water that was used for boiling came from a nearby creek and was far colder than our water during our test at home, leaving us impressed at the Genesis ability to boil. Although the windscreen sits fairly low, the burners themselves are also low, and we found our food to cook thoroughly and evenly in semi-windy conditions and colder conditions. The Genesis is regulated for consistent performance down to 20 degrees, so keep that in mind for winter and cold weather camping. Overall, we loved the Genesis Basecamp and found it to be easy to use right out of the box. The price is steep, and many of the features are made for those who value gear that is design savvy and with additional features. Cooks looking for a more simple setup and who don't need to save space could find a lower price tag elsewhere, but if you are able to pay the price, this is a stove that will exceed most expectations, and can be extended into a larger, more versatile cooking system that can make even the most gourmet meals in the backcountry. Number 2. Snow Peak Home and Camp Burner. We've had a Snow Peak Gigapower stove as our backpacking stove for going on 8 or so years, so we were excited to use a stove that feels like a larger version of our small backpacking stove. Like the Gigapower, the Home and Camp Burner folds down smaller than it should for a stove of its power. At 8,333 BTUs it is comparable to other single burners, like the Selkirk butane camp stove at 8,000 BTUs and slightly lower than the Jetboil half-gen Basecamp cooking system at 10,000 BTUs. In our boil test, the Snow Peak boiled 32 ounces of cool well water in 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Although compact in size, the Snow Peak's burners are large and sturdy, with a good amount of clearance between the stove and the table beneath. The bacon and fajitas that we cooked on the stove, all stoves tested had these 2 items made on them at least once, cooked thoroughly and well, with the bacon crisping to the desired level and the fajitas cooking quickly and on high, as they are best prepared. The high cooking power balanced with the ability to simmer on low make the Snow Peak Home and Camp Burner ideal for cooking a variety of meals, and we look forward to making hot pots and other soups as the days grow colder. As outdoor temperatures get colder, the main drawback of the Snow Peak becomes more apparent. The Home and Camp Burner uses butane as its fuel source, which does not perform as well in colder temperatures as propane fuel. At 31 degrees butane starts to liquidize and cannot vaporize into the gas needed for the stove to heat. We live in Idaho and often camp well into the early winter throughout Idaho, western Wyoming, and southern Montana, and are likely to use camp stoves at temperatures lower than 31 degrees Fahrenheit. The Snow Peak will still work when temperatures dip below 31, but it will likely lose performance power and be less fuel efficient. Another drawback is that the Snow Peak is not suitable for use with cast iron, ceramic, or stone cookware, as the radiant heat produced by these materials can cause the fuel canister to heat up. We love the Snow Peak Home and Camp Burner for what it is, an extremely portable and powerful single-burner camp stove that is perfect for creating one-pot or pan meals while car camping. We anticipate bringing the home and camp burner on our overnight paddling trips, where the portability and lighter weight will be helpful. Number 3. Coleman Cascade 3-in-1 Camping Stove. The Cascade 3-in-1 is made for individuals, couples, families, and groups with one thing in common, a desire to cook creatively while car camping. The Cascade comes with cast iron grill and griddle accessories, making it easy for searing meat, making pancakes, cooking bacon, and a wide variety of other items. In a group setting, the ability to cook bacon and pancakes on one cast iron griddle while veggies sauté in a pan on the other burner would be invaluable for creating larger meals to feed a crowd. The powerful stove can also burn up to 1 hour on high-end sports 24,000 BTUs of combined cooking power, 12,000 per burner. The boil test, which used 32 ounces of cool well water, yielded a boil time of 9 minutes and 30 seconds, definitely not the fastest. The boil timing places the 3-in-1 stove behind other stoves we tested with the exception of GSI's Pinnacle Pro, which was slowest to boil. Despite the slower than expected boil time, we are impressed at the Cascade's wide range of flame control. It maintained a steady low flame that was perfect for heating and flipping tortillas on a pan and for cooking perfectly runny sunny side-up eggs in the morning. Despite its heavy weight, the Cascade is surprisingly portable, with a comfortable handle that makes for easy carrying. The stove itself is heavier than the single burners we tested, but not exceptionally so. The cast iron attachments are where the weight really lies, but they come in their own separate case and can be tossed in a box or carried separately. We enjoy the additional smokiness that comes from cast iron cooking, and enjoyed having the option included with the Cascade. Whether it's being used to feed a party or a couple, the Cascade 3-in-1 is a stove that is versatile and dependable, and is best used by those who don't need a smaller footprint in a stove. Number 4. GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Pro. There is also at least 2 inches of clearance between the bottom of the stove and the ground or table beneath, but we found the stove to run very hot, with the radiant heat under the stove feeling high and hot when a hand is placed flat against the table beneath. We chalk this up to the thinness of the stove itself and the ease in which heat can move through and warm up the entire bottom surface. The Pinnacle Pro's thinness does not translate to saving weight though, as it still weighs 11.7 pounds, which is over a pound heavier than the GSI Selkirk 540 Plus, which is thicker and conducts heat better. We were surprised at the lack of a handle as well. Carrying the Pinnacle Pro feels like carrying a computer monitor or oversized laptop in that it feels cumbersome and easy to drop. In our boil test, the Pinnacle Pro was our slowest model we tested. It boiled at 11 minutes and 4 seconds, much slower than we had expected or hoped. At 11,000 BTUs per burner, we observed the flame from the burners struggled to reach the pots above the cooking grate. The grate itself is further away from the burners than in other stoves, a whole 1.5 inches above the burners. For those looking for an aesthetically pleasing stove that performs adequately well, or those looking to save space overall, the Pinnacle Pro might be suitable. For those looking for a lighter stove that more effectively cooks on higher heat and has a more practical design, another stove in the $200 range could be easily found.